One of the most common questions that we get about living aboard is what we eat and whether or not we can cook in a tiny kitchen on a boat. The answer is a most astounding yes. We cook on the boat almost every meal every day. So we decided to start a little series called Boat Chef to show you kind of some of the things that we eat along with recipes and instructions. We are going to do a video for each one, and then the full recipe will be posted on the blog. Our next door neighbors are here for 12 days. They have an RV close by, but their kids are in town, so they're staying on the boat while their kids are here. And we are doing dinner with them tonight, so I thought I might share a recipe with you. I'm making crab cakes they brought over the crab that I think a friend of theirs had caught and given to them frozen, and so I am just using their crab to make crab cakes. So I'll show you my recipe and how I am making them. I got started before I thought to do the video, so the first thing I'm doing is chopping up 2 green onions. Based on the amount of crab that I have, which is here, that's about what I need. So I'm going to make a sort of remoulade sauce too, so I'm going to put some of these aside for that. And the rest are going to go into this bowl, which will eventually have the crab. Since my crab is not quite thawed yet, I'm going to start with making the sauce. Also, it's probably better to make the sauce first because then it has time to sort of do its thing. I've never really been much of a measurer, especially when it comes to stuff like this. So I basically just add a little mayo. And a little sriracha to taste. Pepper. A little bit of salt. And a squeeze of a lemon. Mix it up. Okay, now it's time to start adding everything else. Again, I'm not really much of a measurer. I can probably put together sort of a rough guesstimate of what I put together, and we will put the whole written out recipe on the blog. But for now, I've got my Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add just kind of a few shakes of the Worcestershire sauce. I've got Dijon mustard, so I'm gonna again just kind of a little squirt. Got a little bit of sriracha, a little bit less sriracha than Dijon, and I've got my mayo. Just scoop, tablespoon. I've got Trader Joe's onion salt, which I absolutely love. It's got some garlic, it's got some dried onions, it's got minced onion, kosher salt, green onions, dried chives, and I've also got Trader Joe's seasoning salt, which is a little bit redundant, I guess, but it's got some celery seed, paprika, ground nutmeg, dried mustard, good stuff. A lot of people use Old Bay in theirs. I suppose you could do that, and it would be very similar. Seasoning is kind of at your own discretion. We're also going to add an egg, possibly 2 depending on how thick this gets. We'll see. Again, not a measurer. My apologies. And some more lemon juice. So maybe, I don't know, teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. We're also going to add some garlic, some fresh garlic in here. Because you really can't have too much garlic. I mean, I guess that's not true. You can definitely have too much garlic, but fresh garlic adds a little something. Alright, then we add our fresh crab. And our Ritz crackers, which I have pre-crunched. Ground. I made them into crumbs. I pre-crumbed them. And it kind of makes this like mushy, thick mess of stuff. And then you're ready to fry it. That's what we do, fry it. Okay, now that my olive oil is hot enough, I am going to drop these guys sort of by kind of a clump full into the oil and then kind of give them a little flatten. Kind of in a hurry here and I keep forgetting about the video. I'm sorry. So now we're flipping these over. What has it been? Maybe 3 minutes or something? Probably 3 minutes on each side for this size. You just kind of flip them over. Make sure that they're nice and brown on each side, and that should make them cooked in the middle. So that's how you do. Alright, so we're going to check the backs of these, and they're looking nice and brown. So we just kind of set them on a paper towel to kind of capture some of the grease. And then we move on to the next batch. Although I think I'm going to add a little bit more oil because I want them to kind of be about half submerged each time. And I'm just using olive oil today. You can use really any kind of oil that you want. We usually like to use coconut oil regardless of what it is that we're cooking, but I've got a lot of olive oil and I don't have a lot of coconut oil, so olive oil it is. We capped off the meal with a little caprese salad and some shrimp that Erlene barbecued. We were so hungry when we sat down to eat that we didn't get the chance to take a video before it was all gone. And trust me, it was gone fast.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, check out our Patreon page, and check out more videos.